What's it gonna do now? It looks like a... Oh, it's a dog and a ball. These are all drones. Right over where I used to live. Abby, look. Abby. Abby. Abby, look. It's a dog and a ball. Huh. Cool. Oh, and look, Abby, look. Abby! Look, look. Look at this. Look what the dog is doing.
Oh, yes. Very good.
Very good, very good. It's a dog and a ball.
Very good.
And there's the ball. Look, the dog. It's a dog and a ball. Cool. I think we have a better view from here than down at the beach. There's too many people there.
Very good, James. Very good, James. James, yes, James.
Now what? What's that? Okay.